During last year's NFL Draft, we were busy drafting our own team, the Lowe's home team. Made up of both NFL players and Lowe's associates, this team wasn't about making plays on the field. Instead, they worked together on community building projects like home repairs for veterans, building beds for kids, disaster relief, and community center upgrades. Through funding, product donation, and the volunteer hours of hundreds of Lowe's associates, the Lowe's home team completed projects in all 32 NFL team communities. For this team, that's a winning season. To see our picks for this year's home team, tune in to the NFL Draft.